If you are about to give up on your vegan protein powder, watch this video and give it one last chance. Okay you guys, so today I'm showing you how I make my favorite protein shake. I use vegan protein powder, which some of you guys might be freaked out, but just stay with me. This protein shake is so good. I'm gonna show you all the ingredients, and if you think that it is impossible to make a vegan protein powder taste good, keep watching this video because I'm gonna show you a really good recipe. Okay, so I used to love organic protein powder, and until I came across this protein powder, I am gonna show you guys how many bags of this protein powder I bought because I'm literally obsessed with it. The Naturade weight loss shake, so they call it a meal replacement. I just think of it as my vegan protein powder. It is vanilla cream. You guys, this protein powder is so good. It is literally like, if you like the organic protein powder, you're gonna love this. The vanilla cream is just like, it has a really good taste. I find it at Costco, but you can also find it on Amazon, and I'll link it below. Okay, so let's get into the recipe. The things that I use for my protein shake are, of course, the protein powder as well as a protein milk. I used to love the one that's Silk made, but they discontinued it for now. So right now I'm using Ripple. It has 8 grams of protein. It's pea or plant protein, PEA, or plant protein. That one mixes really well. I also like to add spices, so I'll either add cinnamon, pumpkin spice, or nutmeg. I'm sure like allspice or anything of the sort could be really good too. So I will add that into my protein shake, and then I will also add the star of the show, which is a coffee creamer. Adding coffee creamer to your protein shake is the biggest game changer ever. You guys, if you have not tried adding coffee creamer to your protein shake, do it. It's going to change the game. It's going to change the taste. It's going to make it bearable. It's going to actually taste like a yummy shake that you're going to crave. The coffee creamer I use, as you guys saw, is Trader Joe's, but I am thinking of switching over to the Nut Pods one just because it's less sugar, even though the Trader Joe's one isn't that much sugar. That's just what I'm thinking. That is what I use for my vegan protein shake, and then I use my Ninja to blend it all up. I put it on the smoothie setting, and it just tastes so good. If I'm going to drink it right away, I will add ice, but if I'm going to make some in advance for the week, I'll just make it without ice and then put it in the refrigerator, and then once it's like super cold, it tastes good. And that's another thing to note for vegan protein powder is that you want to drink it cold. Like using a shaker bottle and shaking it up and trying to drink it warm, or just mixing it with water, isn't always as tasty. So you really want to like think about your recipe and what you want to put in there to give it like that extra oomph, because you guys, it's vegan, so it's not going to have like the sweetness or just whatever you normally get from whey protein. This is an excellent way to get extra protein into your diet. I like to try to have one of these at least once a day, but typically I have them like 3 to 4 times a week. And then I also like to drink on-the-go protein drinks. So right now I'm drinking the OWN one. I'll show you guys. Okay, so this one you can pick it from Target or Sprouts. But this one has 32 grams of plant protein. So if you guys are working out, you have to get your protein up. So between the Naturade one and this one, good. They also have a vanilla one that's good. This one's plant-based. I have to have plant-based protein. I don't know about you guys, but regular protein just does not work for me. I am lactose intolerant, so I need a plant-based one or a vegan one. Okay, so some other things to know about this. I find it at Costco, but like I said, you can find it on Amazon, and it has 200 calories, and then of course the milk, so it's kind of dense. I actually had this as like my lunch kind of. So you can use it as a meal replacement or just as a protein shake, but it also has fiber. It has tons of vitamins in it too, so I always feel better and more full when I'm adding this to my diet. And you're just gonna notice like you're gonna lean out. I am still leaning out right now. I noticed like from my previous videos I do look a little heavier, but that's okay. We're getting right back on track. I know I'll be back on track soon. So I'm using the protein powder to help lean out. I'm trying to increase my protein, especially since I'm weightlifting more and adding in more cardio, just so that I can lean out a little bit faster. Let me know what you guys use the additional protein for in your diet as well. But yeah, if you guys are having trouble with making your vegan protein powder taste good, try this recipe. I really like it, and it has completely changed how I see protein shakes and how I see vegan protein powder, because before I was like, oh my gosh, this stuff is disgusting. I don't know how people taste this. And not all protein powders are created the same, so one doesn't taste like the other. I've tried at least like 4 or 5, and I can say that The Naturade one and the Organic one are my favorites. Right now, I'm like heavy on the Naturade one. And how I found out about this brand, you guys, about a year ago, I was in Louisiana for Essence Fest and I actually met some of the people that work on the team. This one is Black owned and they have connections with Magic Johnson, so I thought that was really cool. But yeah, I got to learn about the brand. When I first tried it, I knew right away, I was like, okay, I think I can work with this. With some vegan proteins, I'm just like, no, just no, no, no. But honestly, you guys, you guys know, I would not lie to you, okay? I really like this stuff. It is really good. I've been saving these to show you guys because I've been wanting to make this video forever, okay? So I'm happy I just came on here and made it for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. If you're gonna try it out, I'll of course leave links below. I'll also link this one below too. And I hope this video helps someone out there to just give vegan protein powder one last chance. Just give it one last chance before you give up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.